Your mask comes fitted with a spring frame support to protect it during travel. Remove this, but keep it for future use. Fitting Quattro FX is as easy as swing and seal. With the lower headgear straps released, position the cushion at an angle on your nasal bridge and swing it down so it sits between your bottom lip and chin. Pull the headgear over your head and attach the straps to the spring frame. Adjust the straps until they are comfortable and firm, but don't over-tighten. That's all there is to it. Attach the air tubing to the mask and turn on your device. Now lie down, check for comfort and seal, and adjust the headgear straps if you need to.